Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at 4 dividend stocks for the month of October. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 4 companies that all have ex-dividend dates in the month of October. This of course is the date that you need to own a stock by to be eligible for their next dividend. So with these companies you have time to still get in before this and start collecting that passive income right away. Just before we get into these 4 dividend-paying stocks, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. We also have our great TipRanks mobile app so you can stay up to date with all the latest market news and access your favorite research tools on the go. To download that, you can follow the links in the description down below. Now let's get right into these dividend stocks. To find today's dividend stocks, we're using the TipRanks dividend calendar under Research Tools. This will show us a breakdown of all of the upcoming dividend-paying companies. We're looking at medium to mega market caps with moderate to strong buys. And we're going to start on October 13th. The first company that we'll be looking at today is AbbVie. As I said, they have an ex-dividend of October 13th for payment on November 15th. They have a dividend yield of 3.86% from a quarterly dividend of $1.41. AbbVie is a biopharmaceutical company with a market cap of nearly $250 billion. They focus on key therapeutic areas like immunology, oncology, and neuroscience. Since their inception, they've invested over $50 billion in research and development of new medicines, including $6.5 billion in 2021 alone. The AbbVie stock trades under the ticker ABBV, currently priced at about $139 per share. One analyst recently said that AbbVie continues to be one of his favorite large-cap ideas. JP Morgan analyst Chris Schott sees an attractive setup for shares from here, with further clarity on Humira generic dynamics expected over the next few quarters. Overall, the AbbVie stock comes in as a moderate buy based on 7 buy ratings, 4 holds, and 1 sell. The average price target comes in at $160.50, which would be an upside potential of 15% from current prices. While the most recent rating coming in 1 week ago was that sell rating with a downside of nearly 3%, the ratings before that came in with upside potential of 29 and 35%. Heading back to our calendar, we're moving over to October 18th where we have Lowe's. Their dividend is paid on November 2nd at $1.05 quarterly for a current dividend yield of 1.73%. Lowe's is the world's second largest home improvement retailer. They opened their very first store back in 1921 and now operate or service over 2,200 home improvement stores across the US and Canada. There are approximately 19 million customer transactions served each week. Their stock trades under the ticker LOW, currently priced at $197 per share. The Lowe's stock comes in as a moderate buy based on 19 analyst ratings, breaking down to 14 buys and 5 holds. Their average price target comes in at $244 for an upside potential of 23.8% for the next 12 months. The most recent rating came in just yesterday from Jefferies with an upside potential of over 31%. On the low end, we do have a hold rating from a couple months ago, which still would have an upside of nearly 10%. Next, we'll move along to October 20th, where we'll find CVS Health. After their ex-dividend date on the 20th, they'll have dividend payment on November 1st. Their quarterly dividend is 55 cents for a yield of 2.14%. CVS Health is a healthcare company known for their retail pharmacy chain. With approximately 4.8 million consumers visiting CVS locations daily, the company is number 4 on the Fortune 500 list. They impressively have paid 103 consecutive quarters of dividends. Their stock trades under the ticker CVS and is currently priced above $88 per share. With 12 current analyst ratings, their stock does come in as a strong buy, based on 10 buy ratings and 2 holds. Analysts' average price target comes in just shy of $123 per share, which would imply upside potential of over 38%. The most recent rating came in today from Bank of America with an upside potential of 37%. Looking at the last couple months of ratings, many of them have similar price targets between that 30 to 40% upside potential. And lastly on our calendar, we're moving to October 25th with a Canadian stock, the Royal Bank of Canada. They have a dividend payment on November 24th with a quarterly dividend of $1.28 for a dividend yield of 3.98%. The Royal Bank of Canada is one of the largest banks in Canada and one of the 10 largest global banks by market cap, with operations across 29 countries. They have been paying their dividend since 1870. Their stock trades under the ticker RY, currently priced just shy of $90 per share. Analysts currently rate the Royal Bank stock a moderate buy based on 9 buy ratings, 3 holds, and 1 sell. With an average price target of $102.48, the average upside potential comes in at about 14.5%. On the low end, we do have a sell rating, which would still have a slight upside of about 6%. The most recent ratings come in with a 12 to 17% upside. So there we have 4 stocks, all coming up with ex-dividend dates this month, so you can start collecting that passive income soon. Of course, there are a lot of great dividend-paying companies out there, so let me know your favorites in the comments down below. Keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.